So, number 1, your first spelling is answer. Answer the question. Answer. What is the answer to this question? Answer. Answer. Number 2 is purpose. 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 Did you do that on purpose? What was the purpose of your visit? Purpose. 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 Okay, the next word, number 3, is quarter. Quarter. If you cut a cake into 4 pieces, each piece will be a quarter. Quarter. 15 minutes is a quarter of an hour. Quarter. Number 4. Question. Question. If you have a question, you must raise your hand. Question. 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 Okay. Number 5. Calendar. Calendar. You use a calendar to check the date. Calendar. 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 Okay, and number 6 is caught. Caught. I caught a ball. I caught a ball using my hands. Caught. If you catch something, you caught it. Caught is the past tense of catch. Caught. Okay, number 7 is suppose. I suppose so. Suppose. I suppose you better do your homework. Suppose. Suppose. Number 8. Therefore. 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 I was feeling sick. Therefore, I went to the doctor. Therefore. Therefore. Okay, number 9. Different. Different. I am giving you lots of different spellings today. Different. The test is a bit different today because we are not just doing 12 spellings. We are doing all the spellings you have learnt, which is different. Number 10, halfway. Number 10, disappear. Disappear. If you can't see something, it has disappeared. Disappear. If it vanishes, it has disappeared. Disappear. Okay, number 11. Number 11 is although. 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 I was feeling hot, although I had had an ice cream. I liked the film, although it could have had more action. Although. Number 12 is opposite. Opposite. The opposite of opposite is the same. Opposite. The opposite of high is low. Opposite. 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 Okay. Next spelling. Keith, make sure you got a book and a pencil to write these down. I know you came late, but you have to quickly catch up, yeah? Number 13. Famous. 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 Edison was famous for inventing the light bulb. Famous. Famous. Okay, number 14 is favorite. Favorite. Now, I should just point out, we are spelling it the British way. The American way is a bit easier. Favorite. Favorite. My favorite food is pizza. Favorite. Number 15. February. February is a month of the year. February. It comes after January. It is the second month in the year. February. And you don't spell it how you say it. Okay. The next one is number 16. And that is medicine. Medicine. George's marvelous medicine. Medicine. Okay. We're on to number 17 now. And that is the word height. Height. He jumped from a great height. My height is 1 meter 75 centimeters. Height. Height. Number 18, nearly there, is peculiar. That's strange. Peculiar. George's marvelous medicine was quite peculiar. 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 Strange. Okay, number 19. Straight. Straight. You need a ruler to draw a straight line. Straight. Straight. And your last word, number 20, is science. Science. We have been looking at circuits in our science lessons. Science. Science. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I see most of you have finished. I'm going to quickly read through them. So if you've missed one, you can check. But I'm only going to do it quickly, okay? So you need to be quick as well. Right, starting again. Number 1, answer. Number 2, purpose. Number 3, quarter. Number 4, question. Number 5, calendar. Number 6, court. Number 7, suppose. Number 8, therefore. Number 9, different. Number 10, disappear. Number 11, although. Number 12, opposite. Number 13, famous. Number 14, favorite. Number 15, February. Number 16, medicine. Number 17, height. Number 18, peculiar. Number 19, straight. And number 20, science. Now, if we look at the spellings, we see that science, peculiar, and February are the most common mistakes. Yeah. Now, science, it's partly because of this SC, and then you have to know it's IE. Yeah. So I'd say the difficult part in science are the first 4 letters. So I'll highlight that in turquoise. Straight, you've got to know that this is, a lot of people spell this wrong. A lot of people spell this part wrong, AIGH. Okay. Peculiar, some people might put an E here, I suppose. Yeah. So that's a little bit tricky. Now, height, nobody got wrong. Medicine, or medicine. Sometimes people get it wrong here. These 2 letters. But nobody got that wrong. February. Now, February, you don't really say February. So the R is difficult to hear in this one. Yeah. The American way is without the U, like with color. A lot of words which are O-U-R are just with an O, so the American way is a bit easier. Okay, I'm just going to plow ahead. Famous, nobody got that wrong. The aus bit is difficult. Opposite, you have to remember it's opposite. That's how you spell it. The magic E isn't working there. Although, again, it's the O-U-G-H part, which is difficult. Disappear. Now, I think people forget to put the double P, or they put a double S. And different is also similar in that you have to remember it has a double F, but everyone got that right. Therefore, remember the E. I think people forget that one a lot. Suppose, double P, okay, and court, A-U-G-H, that's the most difficult part there. Calendar, I know you say calendar, but it's calendar when you spell it with an A-R. Question, yeah, maybe people forget the U, I don't know, here, or the T-I-O-N ending, that's quite common. Quarter, I suppose when you pronounce it quarter or question, it sounds like there's a W in there, and then you have to remember A-R-T-E-R, okay. Purpose, I suppose that's how you spell it, purpose, yeah, even though it's pronounced purpose. Yeah, people might not use an O, they might not use the E. And answer, yeah, again, you don't pronounce the W here. It's just answer, not answer. So the W is silent.